Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you're going to see one of those Dollar Tree wreath makers turned into a beautiful glam wreath. To begin our project, I'm going to be using Dollar Tree poster board to create the back of my wreath. I'm going to be painting the back of the pumpkin gold, so I'm going to be adding Mod Podge to the cardboard in order to paint it and not have it bubble up. And I'd like to take this opportunity to say welcome back if you're already a part of my family. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget that notification bell. In addition to the cardboard, I will be adding this letter pumpkin plaque that I found also at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be adding a little glitter around the letter, and I'm also taking apart the top. And I'm just using a little bit of beige paint to cover up the area where the glue from the top was ripped. Now add the Mod Podge all over the plaque and don't touch the letter. I'm using a mixture of thin and thick glitter. One is holographic and the other one is silver. And if you notice areas that did not take the glitter, just go back over it with the glue and add more glitter. I tried to cut 2 of the wires so that I can add beads to my project, and I had a hard time, so my husband came to the rescue. And once I was done with all the beads, I took the front and the back outside and gave it a gold paint. I brought it back inside once it was dry, and I added a little gold glitter to the sides where I was not going to put my plaque. Now, I decided later on where I was going to put my bling, because originally I decided to put it over the beads, and I changed my mind. And once my Mod Podge was dry, I glued the plaque on to my painted poster board. I added my bling and I put the whole thing together. It looks so pretty with the diamond wrap, and I contemplated putting it in the middle part, but I did not want the J on the middle of the plaque to be covered, so that's why I left it empty. And the little piece that was left, I added it to the bottom. Not a big deal. After gluing your wreath onto your poster board, go over all of the edges with some extra hot glue and cut out all the excess poster board. Cut the part off the top so that you can hang it and go on to finishing your wreath. Add finishing touches by adding some greenery and some flowers and hang it on your door. I hung it on my door with a Dollar Tree Thanksgiving hook, and it looks really pretty. When the sun hits the diamond wrap and the glitter, it sparkles. I love it. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks again for stopping by to DIY with Jules. Now I have other videos that you can check out down in the description below, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I miss